Kia ora, back again. Placement. We've done the couch, now the adult bed. This is the particularly important place to get it right. This is where the challenge to little one's breathing is the greatest. Because a little one who's been smoke exposed in pregnancy or who is premature or for some reason doesn't have a strong breathing mechanism, then when there are other people in the bed with that little one, that is when the risk is greatest. This is the thing we're really most concerned about. So use your sleep space in the adult bed, and this is to show you how. Okay, first of all, get rid of all the pillows that you're not going to use. Keep one for yourself, but no more. Make sure they're quite flat if possible. Move them apart, because this is where Bubs is going to be, in the middle, okay? In the middle, in their sleep space. Pull back the bed, get the little one, and place your improvised sleep space at the top of your bed. There's a reason for that. And have your baby at the top of their sleep space, and there's a reason for that too. Because the whole point is to help your baby have a clear face. And that means get away from your adult bedding. Now I'm going to climb in and just show you where the bedding should be. First of all, move your pillow just down a little bit. And if there's someone else in the bed, down a little bit. Okay? That gives the baby a bit more space. In I climb. And I have my blankets over me. I've got a little bit less length, but baby is in their own sleep space. Okay? Now let's try that with the bigger baby, because this is just a newborn bed. Now this is the bed with the cut down end. It's not a bed for carrying around with your baby in it. It's a little bed that you leave placed in the adult bed. Air every day, but do not carry this one around. Alright? So we'll place it in the adult bed. Plenty of room for an older baby, a bit more length. Again, bring your pillow down from the top to give your baby's face a better chance to be clear, and in you hop. You can still keep yourself warm, and you can still attend to your baby. You can still give them comfort while you're lying down. So that's how it works. What we don't want is your baby to slip down the bed and get under your covers. And that's why we've got that sheet system the way we had it in the last clip. Bye! Sweet dreams!